talk about how can you enable match remainder on your FotMob app. Which will figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on more down here. So when you click on more, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, just click on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, and so when here it's going to show for you here, sorry, you just go down here, going to show for you here default match notifications. Click on it and you come here to match remainder. You just click in this sign that, like you see, this color show for us, it's match remainder enable with us now, and you click here on down, then it's going to add with us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.